Let's discuss exercise 10.1. First question. How many tangents can a circle have? See, this is the circle. We know tangent. A line touches the circle at single point. That line is called tangent of the circle. This is one line touches the circle at single point. Okay? In same way, draw tangents. This line touches the circle at single point. Let this point is B. In same way, this is one tangent. Here, this line touches the circle at single point. Okay, so these lines are called tangent of the circle. Okay, tangents of the circle. Here we can draw infinitely many tangents. Okay, so answer is a circle can have infinitely many tangents. Next question, question number 2. Fill in the blanks. A tangent to a circle intersect it in how many points? We know tangent. Tangent means a line touches a circle at one point. Okay, a line touches a circle at single point. So answer is 1. Okay, a tangent to a circle intersect it in one point. Okay, next sub question number 2. A line intersecting a circle in 2 points is called a. We know this is a circle. One line touches the circle at 2 points. So that line is called secant of the circle. So answer is secant. Next, a circle can have dash parallel tangents at the most. The question says maximum how many parallel tangents draw in one circle. Okay, see, this is one circle. Here we have to draw parallel tangents. Tangent touches a circle at single point. Okay, this is a PQ line touches a circle at A. Okay, next, here we are talking about parallel. Okay, this is MN line touches a circle at B. Okay, see, this is one circle. This is P dash Q dash line touches a circle at A dash, and this is M dash N dash line touches a circle at point B dash. Okay, see, here at most we can draw 2 parallel tangents. Okay, 2 parallel tangents in one circle. See, this is a one circle. This is a circle. Here we can draw parallel tangents. Okay, only we can draw 2 parallel tangents in one circle. At most 2 parallel tangents.